Imagine this. You've been scrubbing and scrubbing, but those stubborn stains in your bathroom just won't budge. You're not alone in this struggle, and it's time to reveal the secrets to conquering those pesky messes. Let's dive into the ultimate guide on how to properly clean 55 crucial areas in your home, ensuring a sparkling clean space that you'll love coming back to. But here's where it gets controversial. Some of these methods might just change your entire cleaning routine. Ready to transform your home? Let's get started. First up, let's tackle that persistent mildew in your tub or shower caulking. You know the spots, those nasty, discolored areas that seem impossible to banish. But fear not, because there's a game changer in town, gel cleaner. Unlike sprays that drip and run, gel cleaner sticks to those nasty spots, giving it ample time to work its magic. One of our top picks is this gel cleaner, https://.b076ks1vyq SES subtag 793118%235%2 mobile web %2 0% dot /*/*7931118/green/k SC mobile web %2. The key is to let it sit for a while before scrubbing. Patience, my friends, is the secret weapon here. Next on the list is your grout. It's one of those areas that can make or break the look of your tiles. And let's face it, grout can get grimy fast. But who says you need to break a sweat to get it clean? Enter the automatic scrubbing brush, https://.b SCS subtag 73118%235%2 mobile web %2 /www.amazon.com/dpb00beudwj tag BF Natalie 20% 793118 40% 60% mobile web %2 BFTP /038N /73194 %2 00. This nifty gadget does all the heavy lifting for you, making your grout look brand new without the elbow grease. It's a win-win. Now let's talk about your dryer. You know the drill. Clean the lint off the screen after every load. But did you know there's another spot that needs regular attention? The area where the screen sits can accumulate lint over time, and if left unchecked, it can become a fire hazard. So, grab your vacuum or a lint brush https://www.amazon.com/dpb07npkghfb tag BS Natalie-20. Ask subtag 793118% 55% 60 mobile web %000 BFTP 03A0 686759730 000 6867597 and give it a good clean. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your home safe and your dryer running smoothly. So, are you ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine? These tips are just the beginning. Stay tuned for more insider secrets on how to keep your home spotless and inviting. And remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a satisfying way to transform your space. Now, let's hear from you. Do you have any favorite cleaning hacks that you'll swear by? Share them in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Who knows, your tip might just be the game changer someone else needs.